Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Olivia and today is going to be the first time I ever deep condition my curly hair. Ever. I understand the concept that's behind deep conditioning. You know, curly hair is much drier than straight hair. I've never tried it because I feel that if I put too much conditioner in my hair in the shower, on wash day my curls just are too sleepy and they don't bounce and they're not they're not bouncy. But today is going to be the first time I do it, and I'm going to be sharing it with you, so keep watching. I'm going to leave the DIY recipe that I'm using below. It's just with ingredients that you can find at home, and let's see how this turns out. I don't know where to start. Okay. Definitely deep conditioning again. I follow the same routine as my wash and go in my previous video. Okay, serious talk. So apparently it's recommended to deep condition your hair about twice a month. I think I could do that. This one's pretty simple, so I wouldn't mind doing it again. The link to the recipe I've left below. There's also, on the same side, there's also other recipes that you could try. Also really simple ingredients that you can find at home. Also, now I see why deep conditioning is so important for girls that are transitioning. So if you just started your curly journey, or if you've been cheeky and been using the straightener or any heat, it's recommended to do this. Why haven't I done this before? Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped or at least entertained you for a little bit. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and feel free to comment or suggest anything below.